Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's recipe we will make sweet steel cut oats. Before I start my recipe, please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to get the updates on my new videos. To make the sweet steel cut oats, we need 1 cup of steel cut oats and we need 2 cubes of jaggery or gur. Then we need some flavors to add, which is green cardamom, fennel seeds also known as soft, and dry coconut. First we will wash our oats very well with the running water. Then I will measure the 2 cups of water, like the same measurement we will take as oats. So if 1 cup of oats you are taking, then you need 2 cups of water. Then add gur into there, the jaggery, and we will boil this until all the gur melts. So let's wait and heat the water to boil and wait that all gur is dissolved properly. Then we will take the instant pot and start with saute. Then add the desi ghee. You can use desi ghee, olive oil, or the coconut oil. Then add the washed steel cut oats into it. Stir well. I will cook for around 1 minute. I will just saute and dry roast. Then add the coconut, fennel seeds and the cardamom for the flavors. Stir for a few seconds. Once done, then I will cancel the saute because we need to pressure cook now. Before that, I will add the hot water mixed with jaggery into it. You can make this in a pressure cooker as well. It's the same way that you heat the pressure cooker and saute in the pressure cooker on the gas itself and give 1 to 2 whistles. But for the instant pot, I will put it in the ceiling side and pressure cook for 5 minutes. Once 5 minutes are done, we will let the pressure to release of its own. Similarly, in the pressure cooker, if you are using, after 1 to 2 whistles, let the pressure go of its own. Now we will open it. The steel cut oats are ready. It's so good. Is a dry steel cut oats. If you add the double quantity of water, and it's so yummy, the sweetened taste, you can eat as a dessert. If you want to add as a milk in there afterwards, you can add milk, and it's very good in taste. If you like my recipes, please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to get the updates on new videos. Thanks for watching.